I think for any team, winning at home is is a big deal. You always want to win with the support of your fans, your families, coming to see you. And I think, for us, it's a great deal, and to regain the title here, and not just that, but the first ever standalone T20, um, that would be history. So we would definitely want to create history again.
We were very satisfied that we did really well in the last ODI World Cup, and we are looking move forward now in the T20 World Cup also, and hope the way we played in last couple of months, we are really happy as a team, and we are looking forward to do well in this World Cup also.
Yeah, I think it's due and it's well deserved. I think the growth of women's cricket has shown that, and it deserves the time. The alone time, if I can say it like that. The way it's grown, it's been obviously for us. You have to kind of pinch yourself to see how quickly it's grown, and the entertainment factor is there now, where it's bigger hits, quicker bowlers. It's a lot more exciting. It's athletic players. So I think it's well deserved for women's cricket at the moment, and hopefully we can do justice to the tournament.
Yeah, definitely. I think the age profile of our team is slightly older than other teams. We only have a couple of players that are under the age of 18. We've had a huge summer. We played against New Zealand at home at the start of the summer, and we also played against Bangladesh. We've put in some really good performances over the last 12 months. So going out into this World Cup, we definitely have targets for ourselves. But I'm pretty confident if we go out and play the way that we can, that we'll be incredibly happy with the way that this tournament will go.